Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that you will get all the future notifications from my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to unlock the PDF files which are password protected and also lock the PDF files using a password. So let's begin. Here I have a couple of PDFs, sample PDFs. If you can see this sample PDF, it is not password protected. I can just simply open that without a need for a password. So if I want to protect this PDF using a password, how do I do that? The process is very simple. All you have to do is go to this website called ilovepdf. This is a free open website. You click on this website, and if you see, there are multiple options, and here you have this option called protect PDF. You click on this protect PDF and you select the PDF which you want to protect using the password. I will just click the sample.pdf and then say open. So now I can type the password whatever I want. I will simply say ABC day 1 2 3 4 5 A B C D 1 2 3 4 5. I'll just see both of them are same. So after putting the password, you just click on this protect PDF. So now your PDF has been protected. You can just download the PDF, and if you go to the downloads, you see the downloaded PDF. And if I try to open this PDF, it will prompt me for a password. And only after I key in the password, the file will open. Yeah. So now we have seen how to lock the PDFs using this website. Now the second question is, how do I unlock a PDF? Suppose say you have a PDF which is sent to you, which is a password protected, and you want to remove the password and send it to other people where it may be concerned for. So here I have an example PDF which is a locked one. I'll just show you. See, this file is already locked. So I need to key in the password to unlock this one. Well, I just forgot the password. See, this PDF file wanted me to put the password for it to open. So that means it's a locked PDF file. To unlock this PDF file and get the unlocked version of it, all you have to do is go to this website again and see for this option, unlock PDF. You click on this option and then select the PDF. And I will just select this one, sample protected PDF, and I'll say open. And now I have to hit unlock PDF. It will prompt me for the password, obviously. So I will key in the password. Right. Let me see. Yeah. And I will say send. Now I have removed the password from the PDF, and if I download the PDF, and if I go to the downloads, the recently downloaded one, this PDF has been unlocked. That means it doesn't require me to put any password for it to open. So simple. Yeah. Okay, that's it for the video. Thank you so very much for watching, and please like this video and also hit that like button and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.